PSYCHE is an exploration of the spiritual and creative potential of schizophrenia and an exposé of state-controlled treatments used to suppress people so labelled. It's an exposition that stems from first-hand experience. With visual and literal narrative, I present examples that highlight the visions and psychic insights that are prevalent. Schizophrenia is commonly seen as delusional and hopelessly negative. This view is simplistic and woefully inadequate. Whilst acknowledging emotional turmoil, I emphasize such states can be channeled in ways which broaden the perspectives and perceptions of those affected. It is not surprising that the subject of psychosis is fraught with misconceptions and misunderstandings. My objective, however, is to provide clues that help the reader decipher the associated thought patterns in an endeavour to make this realm more intelligible. I take the stance that psych sensitivity is an integral part of humanity's total mind, casting light not only on human nature but also on the nature of reality. We should accept and expect that our individual and collective evolution will involve intense struggle and unforeseen challenges. As the world around us becomes increasingly complex, it is inevitable that our response to it and life within it also become increasingly complex. I see my experience in this context and as part of a continually developing process. I encourage the reader to seek the many interconnections that dwell beneath and beyond the surface of these words and images. A matrix of concealed meaning will be revealed. References to schizophrenia and psychosis are not meant to convey accord with current psychiatric orthodoxy. These terms are mentioned for expedience rather than agreement with clinical diagnosis. I use the expression psych sensitivity to counter prevailing assumptions and terminology.